is 2 inches today. So many people have this question. What is the best thing to do after the cavitation? Let me tell you. So after the treatment, we have to drink enough water. So why we have to drink so much water? See the end, let me tell you why. So ultrasound cavitation treatment is a really good way to reduce your fat and your cellulite. But if you want to get the maximum results, you have to combine the treatment with the home care and aftercare. So the ultrasound energy can release the toxins in the stored fat. But to assist the detoxification process, okay, we have to drink at least 1.5 liters of the water. So the body requires like 2 to 3 days to eliminate the fat and the toxin in your body. So we just recommend that you can use like 2 or 3 treatments a week, and every treatment 48 minutes to 1 hour. So on average, every client needs 10 to 12 treatments to get the best results. Your clinician will be the best person to provide with the realistic plan. Overall, maintaining a low-calorie, low-fat, low-sugar diet, okay, 24 hours pre-treatment and 3 days post-treatment to achieve the best result. And we also encourage clients to stick to the diet as much as they can. So many find that this is a really good point to maintain the healthier lifestyle in the future. So you can also take additional steps to achieve the best result, like you use the brush to massage around the area in the shower, or you can also use the moisturizer to massage on the treatment area. Do this daily, okay, can prevent the fat become stagnant and difficult to eliminate.